Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A72, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the mobile hotspot toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, you want to hold the toggle. This should take us into the settings and not actually enable it. Oh, wait, airplane mode is apparently enabled. There we go. For some reason that didn't want to open it up when airplane mode is enabled. Not sure how that is significant here. But anyway, once you're in the settings, from here you can customize a couple different things. Now, probably the most important thing, let's just start by tapping on configure. Most important thing would be changing the password, because by default this password is just trash. So you can remove this one and set your own. It does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. Right at the top you have network name, which basically is the name of the Wi-Fi that will be created. You can change it if you want to, or keep it as it is. Only thing, you kind of need to remember how your Wi-Fi will be called so you know which one to pick. And then also last option here is the AP band. So we have option of the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. Now, if you're not sure if your device that you want to connect to hotspot with supports 5 gigahertz, you can simply turn it on, and once you tap on save and actually enable it, like so, if your phone or whatever the device it is that you're trying to connect to it doesn't see any kind of network by this name right here, that'll be under the network name, then that means that that device doesn't support 5 gigahertz. Now, the reason why I suggest you to try it at least is because 5 gigahertz will be a faster and more stable network connection comparing it to 2.4. But like I said also, not every device will support it, so there is some benefits and drawbacks. So if your device doesn't support it, simply go back here, change it to 2.4, and you should be set from there. So that is how you can set it up, and enabling it could be done, as you've seen from there, by tapping on the toggle or by finding the toggle right here and tapping on it. So I right now turned it off actually, and if you want to turn it on, make it blue. There we go. So that is how you would set it up and use it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.